so we need to go and find some tiles for the little backsplash on the surface above the washing machine and tumble dryer. And once upon a time, when we cleared up this, or when the girls cleared it up, I think you and Charlene did this, didn't you?
Yeah.
One time you cleared it back up and it's a lot better than it was. But I think you put a load of old tiles down in this corner, if I'm right. Yeah, it seems like we've got two of everything. Some of them.
Oh, what are they, the mosaics?
Some of them. Mosaics. 1, 2 of those. This is not enough, obviously. Ah.
Could we mix and match?
Got some of those.
What are they? Oh, they're the floor
The bathroom of the CDA.
Yeah.
They're quite nice. I quite like them.
Yeah.
I don't know whether you'd have enough though.
Is that all we've got?
That's all we've got. Yeah, it's come out of the packet. There is a thought that could we do a mismatch? I could try and find out, because you got half. You got, you know, you can use one tile. I think we can use that bit for the upstand and that bit for the top. So it might be, they might be enough. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't know what they are, 300s. So that'll give you 3 out of 24, will give you 2.4 metres. Like that. So they might well be enough.
Yeah.
If you like those.
Could we do it? Because I just think they'd be a bit plain.
You see, you could do it with a...
Well, I was going to say, could you do like the front edge, like half one of that with one of them and then another bit of that, or is that just too many cuts?
Half? What do you mean?
So like a bit of that,
Yeah.
and in the middle a line of the mosaics. No, those mosaics there.
These?
Yeah. Just one line of them.
Do you want to make it as complicated as possible? Why would you want to do that?
Just to make it look prettier.
Do you? Yeah, really?
What else we got? Have a look. See what else we got.
That's it, I think.
Is that it?
Well, there's a couple of... there's a whole... Actually, we've got a whole box, I think, of these white ones. These ones.
What are they? I can see the bottom of them.
These are the
Are they big white ones?
yeah, these are the ones we put in the CDA bathroom, the shower. You know those ones, the white, the creamy coloured ones. So you've definitely got to know those, because I think well, by the time you probably only need, they're 600, so you'd want probably 1, 2, 3 and a bit of those.
Yeah. Would those little mosaics go with
7.
that?
Well, that's what they were for, weren't they?
Oh, them ones, yeah. Oh, that might look good.
Not doing a half and half with a silly run of mosaics through the middle. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. You can do it, but I'm not doing it. I'll tell you that now. I just don't want to literally run these tiles in, and that would be the end of it. That would be the end of it. That's the end of it. I don't want to start doing silly cuts and
It's white a bit boring in there, though, because the walls are...
But, well, you've poo-pooed the idea of a slightly terracotta pinky colour. Then you go on this, this boring. But why is it... It's a laundry room, for goodness sake. It's got a focal point of your amazing bread oven.
What?
Nobody's going to look at the tiling and go, oh, that's a bit boring, isn't it?
What else we got? I'm just thinking, those big white ones, could we use them in the summer kitchen? You know we said about tiling the back of the summer kitchen?
Well, all of it? You won't get... No, there won't be enough to do that whole thing. I don't think. No, you've only got... I think you've got 7 in a pack here.
Yeah.
So, we've got more mosaics.
Oh, I like them mosaics.
Yeah, we can keep them.
Yeah, I suppose, yeah.
Look, you've got I don't know
Oh, we've
why
got quite a few of them, yeah.
We've got four packs of them. 4 packs of those, which is, you know, that could look nice somewhere.
Yeah, I like them.
I mean, again, you know, there's once upon a time somebody was doing mosaic tables and stuff like that.
Yeah.
And, you know, that might be nice if we had if we get an old table for the next house, and we, you know, we haven't got many of those, but you know, you could combine those with one of, not necessarily with these, but with a tile similar, so they just look nice like that, wouldn't they? So there's a Cooper.
I just think the laundry room needs a bit of colour.
Right, and then we've got a whole bank of grey ones, straight grey ones. There's a whole big box of those, and therefore they were the ones in the little downstairs bathroom.
Okay.
In the shower.
Yeah.
So they're not colourful at all.
No.
So I think I would plump for these at the bottom here. Just straight, nice.
Okay. Okay, so while Ted is doing the tiling, getting sorted with that. By the way, I did change my mind on the tiles after we lugged the other ones over there. But anyway, you'll see what I decided on in the end. But whilst I was in the barn, I noticed we've got so much scrap metal in here, and I have run out of sand to be able to finish the floor part of the bread oven. So to be able to go and buy some more sand and lime, I'm going to get all the scrap metal, put it into the trailer, take it up to the scrapyard, and see how much I can get for it. And hopefully I'll get enough to give me enough to go and buy some sand and lime so I can finish the bread oven. So it's a bit of a lugging about day today, getting all this scrap metal about. There's so much in here, just stuff that we've found around the place and accumulated. We have done a lot of trips up to the scrap metal place, but yeah, I think this is the final lot to go. So I'm going to get it in the trailer, and yeah, you can come for a ride with us to the scrap metal place because it's quite impressive. So here we are at the scrapyard. And it's Ted's birthday today. I know how to treat him.
A shame a big machine ain't right.
Trip to the scrapyard.
The scrapyard.
100 kilos.
So what's that? They'll probably be about. I think it's about 400 kilos, 100 euro.
Oh, really? Oh.
Yeah.
So it's probably not going to pay for what I wanted to pay for.
260 kilos, 30 euros.
That's a bit disappointing. We didn't have as much as I thought we had, and the price of mixed metal's gone down. So we haven't actually even got enough for the sand.
No, we probably barely got enough for 2 bags of lime.
Bum. Okay, well we might have to wait a little bit, or I might have to see if I can beg, steal and borrow. I wonder if Mikey's got some bags of, like, just a bit of, if I go up and get some buckets, whether he's got some sand left over. Anyway, oh, quite disappointed by that, but at least we cleared a space in the bowl.
Yeah, we're getting, slowly getting spaces, yeah, slowly getting bits and pieces.
Anyway, back home to see how we got on in the laundry room. Cool.
Yeah, it's all right. It looks all right.
Another job ticked off the list, the tiling.
Another few jobs. The tiling is done. The curtains are done.
That was actually on the list, the curtains. So.
Well, that's fantastic. Yeah.
Brilliant.
All the side panels are done. Little pieces of oak just to tidy it all up and make it look nice. So that's ready for use, even though it was usable before.
Anyway, and that's all been done out of leftover material.
Yeah, haven't paid a penny for that.
Even the curtains.
Yeah, all of it's leftovers. All of it's
And
leftovers.
I don't know if any of you noticed my nice chair sitting beside us. Oh, you can't see the
Can't
chair.
actually see.
I'll put
That
a picture
nice
up.
chair that you can't see.
I did.
It is over there. It is over there.
It is there. I did upholster that today. That hasn't been done in the last couple of days. I did do that last week, and if you want to see, a couple of weeks ago actually, and if you want to see the transformation of that chair that was bought in the Bracant for, I don't know, it was 20, 30 quid, something like that. I'll put a link in the description for the workshop channel where I did 2 chairs actually, 2 chairs.
2 chairs.
And it just goes lovely in here, I think.
Yeah, we leave it in here.
Yeah.
It's a brilliant transformation.
Still a load of jobs on the list to do, and obviously the best thing was that we went to the scrapyard and got a bit of dosh so we could go and get this sand and lime for me to finish the bread oven. So, because although I've repaired the bread oven, there still needs a lot of work inside to be done.
Yeah, and there's a bit of electrics to do. And then we've still got the ceiling, and we've got a little cupboard over there, and that will be a little bit of tying up, and hopefully that'll be done.
So join us again Friday, and we'll see you again then. I'm not sure
Hopefully.
what's the next jobs on the list.
Well, the next job for me is I'm going to make the little cabinet that goes over the pipe work over there.
And I think I'll reglaze the sink.
Yeah, you can have a go at that, and then we'll tidy up that, and we'll connect that so we can actually do this. And we can always connect the cold as we not connect the hot connected.
Yeah.
But we can connect the cold so we could actually use the sink.
And then after that, we have a special guest arriving.
Da, da, da.
Carsten is back, yes. He's back again. We
been-
missed him this because it's been a year, isn't it?
It's been a year. It's been a year since he came, because he didn't come in April, like he normally does, March or April, because I know he had an awful lot on, and an awful lot of family stuff going on. But it'll be so lovely to see him.
Can't wait to see him. So we might be starting a different project. Yes, we're going to come to that. Actually, we're going to do a Q&A vlog sometime next week as a sort of midweeker, because there's so many people who've been asking questions. The chateau's for sale. Why are you still doing work? If you've got any questions, put it in the comments today, because we'll do a Q&A next week, an extra bonus. Because there's lots of speculation
explaining
to do.
I think we should get Carsten to interview the pair of us.
Oh, that'd be a good idea. Anyway, so put some questions in the comments, and it depends on the weather next week when Carsten's here, whether we start the new project or whether we do the ceiling in here with Carsten.
Yeah. Either way, it'll be great to see him, and we can't wait.
And we will see you all again on Friday.
Like and subscribe, everybody.
Thumbs up.
Please, we need to get the numbers back up.
It doesn't cost a thing.
It doesn't cost you a penny, but it does make a whole difference to us.
We'll see you all again Friday. Take care, everyone.
Bye, everybody.
Bye. Right, let's go for some dinner. Come on, Bess. Come on, Bess.